Tired of battling frizz, dullness, and tangled hair every day? Imagine a single product that not only smooths and detangles but also restores shine and protects your hair from harmful UV rays. This nourishing treatment is exactly what your hair routine has been missing, delivering visible results from the very first use. What makes this product stand out? It's packed with natural extracts that work together to revive your hair's health. Vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant, defending your hair's natural strength and brilliance. Linseed extract soothes your scalp while leaving hair feeling soft and full-bodied. Aloe vera seals in moisture and provides a gentle, natural sunscreen effect. Sunflower seed extract further guards your hair against color fading and brassiness, keeping your look fresh and vibrant longer. I've seen firsthand how this treatment changes hair for the better. After washing and towel drying, just a couple of sprays applied from the ends upward detangle effortlessly and add a noticeable shine. Even retired hairdressers swear by it, using it after every shampoo to maintain healthier, stronger hair. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and suitable for all hair types. If you want hair that feels as good as it looks, this treatment is worth a look. It's not just a leave-in conditioner. It's a multi-purpose solution that smooths, protects, and restores. Whether you're dealing with dryness, damage, or just want to enhance your hair's natural luster, this product delivers real benefits without any fuss. Ready to upgrade your hair care routine? Try this nourishing treatment when you're ready to see the difference. It's a simple step that makes your hair more manageable, radiant, and resilient. Don't settle for dull, lifeless hair. Embrace the shine and strength you deserve.